Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. Another quick one today. We're taking a look at a Surface Pen alternative that costs about $25. There's a bunch of these now on Amazon. This one's from a company called Adrawpen. It costs about $25 or so significantly less than Microsoft's offering. And it seems to work okay. There are some caveats with it, which we'll get to in a second. Now, I do want to let you know, though, in the interest of full disclosure, this came in free of charge through the Amazon Vine program. However, all the opinions you're about to hear are my own. Nobody is paying for this review, nor has anyone reviewed or approved what you're about to see before it was uploaded. So let's get into it now and see how it works. There isn't much to it. They do give you 3 different nubs. One comes installed on it. There are 2 others that give you a different feel to it, and they have a little tool for replacing those in the box as well. It has a single button here that has 2 purposes. So if you push down on the top portion of the button, you'll get the selection window up, and then if you push down on the lower portion of the button, it will put it into eraser mode. There is no shortcut button at the top, nor is there any kind of magnet to hold it to the side of your Surface device. Although it's got some metal in it, it just kind of flops around here. So not an ideal replacement across the board, but it might be good enough for casual users. Another issue I'm finding with it is that the pushes here aren't always registered. So as I'm trying to change pencils here, sometimes it registers the push, sometimes it doesn't. You have to give it a little bit more of a jab to get that in there. The wrist detection, though, does seem to be working properly. The company says that this is a Microsoft certified device, so it must have been meeting whatever standards there are for a Windows Ink device. It feels okay to write with. It doesn't feel as good as the Surface Pen does, so I would probably not recommend this as a drawing tool for serious artists, but for me, the casual user, it seems to be doing okay. It also has some degree of pressure sensitivity here, so if I push down lightly, you can see that, and then if I push down a little harder here, I'll get the thicker line. It doesn't seem to do well, though, with lighter pushes, which is also the issue we're having with it registering clicks. So you have to give it a little bit more pressure, perhaps, for lighter strokes, which is why I'm thinking it's not going to be a good choice for artists, because the Microsoft Pen seems to be a little bit more sensitive than this one is, especially for light touches. But overall, it seems to be okay for casual use, and it's cheap enough. But you do get what you pay for. So not bad, could be better, but it is something that I think will be perhaps favorable for casual users like myself that just want a basic pen. Until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters, the 4 Guys with Quarters podcast, Tom Albrecht, and Kalyan Kumar. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.